Donald Trump is a dog of Jewish people and he is a servant of Netanyahu. He is working for a Jewish community and he is an enemy of Islam and Islamic law. This is a warning to Donald Trump and all American nation and his allies NATO. I advise you and warn you. Accept the true faith of the Adam, of the Ibrahim, Moses, Jesus, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon them all. Accept their true faith. If you accept their faith, inshallah, you will be successful in this world and after here. If you don't accept Donald Trump, now you are a president of America. If you don't accept the true faith of Jesus, which is Islam, which is Quran, inshallah soon America and his ally NATO, their power will be destroyed, their power will be defeated inshallah by the army of Imam Mahdi from Afghanistan, Khurasan. My advice is to all the NATO and American nation. Now America as a whole, they become devil nation. They become a cancer because majority of the people, they are drinking alcohol. There are prostitutions and they are doing unjust and take out your army, American army and NATO army. Take out them from Arabia and all other Muslim countries like Pakistan. Take out your armies and beware that inshallah soon the army of Imam Mahdi are coming from Khurasan inshallah and they will destroy every and each NATO army and especially the Jew people. And Donald Trump, you are supporting Jewish people, Zionist. God will punish you inshallah in this world and after here.